So now I am moving the grade page. So this is my grade academic progress at a glance of my heading. In this page I focus and display structure academic data and in a clean and reliable format using a table. So explain my code. So just wait. Mm, my grades page. So you see this, my grades page. If I show you the code I using as a table tag, just wait and see this using table tag elements along with head and body and t head and body head and body. The T head section contains at the heading like course name, credit, marks, and grade, and the body content of the actual data. So you see this heading and is heading and body using in table data. Using proper table structure in important because I like the data organized and easily of understanding. Before the table I also added a summary section using card. So just a bit explore my grade card. So you see this using hover effects. For layout of the summary cards I use flexbox. This help of the grade stay on a raw of large screen and automatically adjust of similar screen. Now focus on the table styling. You see this table styling. In CSS I used border collapse to remove extra spacing between table cell and added padding inside each cell to improve readability. So just a wait and you see this my grade page. So you see this table warp overflow x auto table 100% width minimum width 70 pixel border collapse background color white and border radius 18 pixel overflow hidden and box shadow 0 and 12 pixel and 28 pixel and background color. I used also alternative row column using net call even. And this is very useful because it help users easily track row access the table. Added adding not only of the I added a hover effect. So just wait and can body TR using in hover effects background color changing background color of the using mouse cursor using and background color changing. I use caption element at the top of the table. This gives a clear title of the table and improves accessibility. So to make the table responsive and warp it it inside a div with overflow x auto. So just a bit and mm, just a wait overflow auto. Yes, you see this overflow X auto. This ensures that a similar screen user can scroll horizontally instead of the layout begin. Overall, this page dramatically of my understanding of the table structure, data preparation and responsive design technically. So thank you.